Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Smart Tank 615. Now I can show you how to clean cartridges on this device. So firstly, you need to find the setup, then scroll down, click Tools and choose Clean Cartridges and wait a while. So okay, that's it. Your printer will print the document. To check the quality of print, as you can see, I have the troubles with printing in color, but maybe because I have because I have no cyan cartridge too much, so I need to add my cartridges. So that's the pattern. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.